What's up everyone, it's Ronz.y, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a USB-C docking station by Human Centric. That was a tongue twister, but let's just go ahead and tell you what it is. First and foremost, it's an Underdock, so it's made to go underneath your desk, which is a pretty cool little nifty thing since you can hide all your wires and everything, so you don't have to show it on your desk for aesthetically pleasing purposes. But that's enough of that, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and just open up the package that it came in. I already took off the little stickers and stuff. And on the top it has some instructions for us that we can read, but that's not really important right now. Let's just go ahead and open up the actual package. So let's get that going right now. So starting off, here is the charging brick. Now, the charging brick is a 87 watt USB-C charger, and yeah, I don't really know too much about wattage, but that's pretty strong for a USB-C charging brick. Like, comparable to your MacBook Pro. This right here would be pretty good. Moving on to the actual product. Go ahead and take this out the packaging. Now, with this, the reason why I got this, right, is because it comes with cords and other stuff too, already ready for the USB-C docking station, so you don't have to go out and just buy a whole bunch of stuff. So looking right here, we have a USB 3.0 port, followed by an Ethernet port and an HDMI port for 4K displays. Now, I'm not sure if this supports dual monitors. However, one monitor would be enough for 4K. Especially for the M1 Max, you can only use one monitor anyway, so this will support it. Following on the back side, on the front side of it, you have a USB 2.0 port, and following with another USB 3.0 port, with a micro SD card reader and regular SD card reader. It's really small compared to other USB-C docking stations, but it's designed to go under your desk. So essentially it'll look like this. Well, let's see what we use this thing right here. Essentially it'll look like this underneath your desk, and you just plug in the ports, facing this way obviously, face the front. Now, as I just stated before, this comes with multiple ports that you can use, and this is another reason why I like it. Here it comes with two USB-C cords. One right here. This goes into the wall charger. This is labeled blue. I don't know if you guys can read that. This is labeled blue. It goes into the wall charger. And the red one right here goes into your computer, your USB-C computer, a MacBook Pro, or any USB-C capable device that needs it. You just keep those right there. In this packaging right here, we have the mounts and the clips to go underneath your desk to hold it up. As you can see, it has some adhesive in the back of here. I believe this is for cable management. It's a cable management piece right here. I'm not going to take it out the packaging because I'm not going to set it up right now, but we'll set it up in the future. However, this is the mounts and clips for this. And that's what's all in the box, so let's just talk about it. Alright YouTube, so here are some reasons on why you should buy it. Starting off with my favorite is the size. The size of this thing is pretty remarkable. It fits into like the palm of your hand. I have really big hands, but for smaller hands, doesn't matter. It's really small. Compared to like a phone or something else, I don't even have anything. But just look at the charging brick. The charging brick is almost the same size as the whole device. It's smaller, you can't even see it. So this right here is a great buy because it's very small, it's very discreet, and of course you can put it under your desk. It has with the mounts. Really, really cool, if I do say so myself. Moving on to my second point, which that would be the price. Now this does come in at $100, $99.99, but it's gonna be $100. It does come in at $100, and you can find it on Amazon, eBay, and the Human Centric store. The Human Centric store, of course. So it is a pretty nifty buy. Compared to a lot of the other USB-C docking stations, this is pretty cheap, if I do say so myself. And it's very durable, it's made out of good material, and it'll last you a long time, if not forever, which I hope it does last me forever. And my final point, it comes with cables, okay? It comes with two USB-C charging cables, one for data transfer and one for just charging the device in general for this power supply. A lot of other competitors, they don't come with that. And I'm not just reading off the website, it is pretty true. One thing that I say I wish they could add in more were a little bit more ports. Now it does come with two USB 3.0 ports right here, that's marked by the blue, and one USB 2.0 port, which is for like charging your iPhone or a small device like that. But I do wish to come with more ports for the price point, which is $100, but it's still a really great buy because it's discreet and you will never see it, honestly. You really won't. But that's all I have in today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm uploading a lot more. I'm going back to school next week, and we're gonna have a lot of content coming up pretty soon, including the desk setup and just a whole lot more. But I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.